In today's fast-paced legal landscape, leveraging technology is essential for success. Chat GPT, an advanced AI language model, offers invaluable support to legal professionals by streamlining research, drafting documents, and enhancing client communication. As the legal field increasingly embraces artificial intelligence, understanding how to effectively utilize tools like Chat GPT can significantly improve efficiency and accuracy. By automating routine tasks, lawyers can focus more on strategic decision-making and client relationships. The potential benefits of integrating Chat GPT into legal practices include increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved service delivery, making it a game-changer for modern law firms. Step 1. Identifying legal tasks suitable for Chat GPT is crucial for maximizing its benefits. Key tasks include drafting documents, conducting legal research, and facilitating client communication. By automating these processes, Chat GPT can save lawyers significant time and effort, allowing them to focus on more complex issues. For instance, it can generate initial drafts of contracts or briefs, summarize case law, and even respond to client inquiries. However, it's essential to understand the limitations of AI in legal contexts. While Chat GPT can enhance efficiency, it should not replace critical legal judgment or nuanced understanding, ensuring that human oversight remains paramount. Step 2. Setting up your Chat GPT account is a straightforward process that begins with visiting the Chat GPT platform. Simply click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create your account using your email address. Once registered, familiarize yourself with the user interface, which features a chat window for input and a response area for outputs. To enhance your experience, explore the Settings menu where you can customize preferences such as response length and tone. Additionally, consider saving frequently used prompts for quick access. This setup will ensure you maximize the efficiency and effectiveness of Chat GPT in your legal practice. Step 3. Crafting effective prompts for legal inquiries is essential for obtaining accurate and relevant responses from Chat GPT. Clear and concise prompts help the AI understand your request better, leading to more useful outputs. For example, instead of asking, "Tell me about contracts," try a more specific prompt like, "What are the key elements of a valid contract?" This specificity guides Chat GPT to provide targeted information. Additionally, don't hesitate to experiment with different phrasing or ask follow-up questions to refine the results. The more you practice crafting your prompts, the better you'll become at leveraging Chat GPT for your legal needs. Step 4. Reviewing and refining Chat GPT's responses is crucial for ensuring accuracy and reliability in legal contexts. While AI-generated content can be informative, it's essential to critically evaluate the information provided. Start by checking for clarity and relevance, and make necessary edits to enhance the response. This may involve correcting any inaccuracies or adding specific legal terminology. Additionally, always cross-reference the information with current legal standards and regulations to ensure compliance. By taking the time to refine the responses, you can transform AI-generated content into a valuable resource that meets the high standards required in the legal profession. Step 5. Integrating Chat GPT into your legal workflow can significantly enhance productivity and efficiency. Consider using it for daily tasks such as drafting initial client correspondence, summarizing case files, or conducting preliminary legal research. Collaborate with colleagues by sharing AI-generated insights, which can foster teamwork and improve decision-making. However, it's crucial to maintain client confidentiality throughout this process. Avoid inputting sensitive or personal information into Chat GPT, and ensure that any shared insights comply with privacy regulations. By thoughtfully incorporating Chat GPT into your practice, you can streamline operations while upholding the ethical standards essential in the legal profession. Step 6. Staying updated on AI advancements in law is vital for legal professionals looking to leverage technology effectively. Encourage viewers to follow legal tech news and updates through reputable sources, such as industry blogs, webinars, and professional associations. Continuous learning about AI tools not only enhances your skills but also keeps you informed about emerging trends and best practices. Consider resources like online courses, podcasts, and legal technology conferences to deepen your understanding of AI applications in the legal field. By remaining engaged with the latest developments, you can ensure that your practice remains competitive and innovative in an evolving landscape. Conclusion. In summary, using Chat GPT as a lawyer offers numerous benefits, including enhanced efficiency in drafting documents, conducting research, and improving client communication. By following the steps outlined, identifying suitable tasks, Setting up your account, crafting effective prompts, reviewing responses, integrating AI into your workflow, and staying updated on advancements, you can maximize the potential of this powerful tool. We encourage you to implement these strategies in your practice to streamline operations and improve service delivery. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share for more insightful content on leveraging technology in the legal field.